A delicious and protein-rich recipe made with soya chunks and rich masala gravy. Let's get started. Once the water starts boiling, add the whole spices, 1 cinnamon stick, cardamoms, black cardamoms and cloves. Adding these spices to the boiling water helps remove the raw smell of the soya chunks and gives them a nice flavor. Now add in the soya chunks. Then add in soya granules, which are also called Soya Keema. Let the soya boil for about 5 minutes. Chunks will absorb most of the water and become soft. Add a little more water and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Add some salt. Once done, turn off the flame and strain the soya. Let it cool completely. Squeeze them well to remove the excess water. Reserve the squeezed water. We will use it later in the gravy for extra flavor. Now let's go for marination. Add in salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, tandoori masala, ginger garlic paste, gram flour or besan, curd, freshly chopped coriander leaves, and finish with mustard oil. Mix everything well so that soya chunks are well marinated. The mustard oil gives a beautiful aroma to the dish. Now let it marinate for about 30 minutes. If you have time, you can also marinate for 1 hour. The longer it marinates, the better the flavor. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala. Heat a pan and add in mustard oil. Add some ghee. Once the oil heats up, add a couple of bay leaves, carom seeds, chopped onions. Cook till they are golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Now add in tomato puree. Salt as per taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, some chopped coriander leaves, coriander powder. Cook until the tomatoes soften and the masala develops a beautiful red color. Now add the marinated soya chunks and granules along with soya water. Mix everything well and let the masala cook for a few minutes. Now add some dried fenugreek leaves. Remember to lightly roast them in a pan and crush them before adding. Break a few green chilies and add them as well. Next, add in milk and mix everything well. The milk makes the gravy rich and balances the spices. Now cover the pan and cook for about 5 minutes on low flame. After cooking, you will see the gravy has thickened and become rich. Add some chopped coriander leaves, capsicum cut into larger pieces. This step is optional, but it adds a nice color and a slight crunch. Finally, add a little garam masala. And at the very end, some ghee for extra flavor. Turn off the flame as your Soya Chunks Keema Masala is ready. If you like an even richer taste, you can add a little fresh cream at the end. Serve it hot with roti, paratha or rice. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Till then, eat well, live well and stay blessed.